after waterlogging was reported in several parts of Mumbai, Chief Minister Eknath Shinde is taking stock of the situation. He has visited several affected areas. He is going on rounds visiting several areas that have been affected by the heavy downpour. These are the visuals from Mumbai after rains were witnessed. Several places witnessing severe waterlogging. Mumbaikars were seen wading through knee-deep waters. In several places, massive traffic jams and diversions also being put in place. Now, due to the inundation, subway had also been closed for vehicular movement.
मिलन सबवे में कल लगभग 70 mm बारिश 1 घंटे में गिरा है। फिर भी यहाँ की ट्रैफिक जो है बंद नहीं हुई है। फ्लड गेट भी यहाँ पर लगा है। जब हाई टाइड होगा तो पानी वापस नहीं मारेगा बैक, इसका भी इंतजाम किया है। और इसलिए मैंने देखा है कि ये मिलन सबवे में 70 mm से ज़्यादा बारिश गिरने के बावजूद सब यातायात जो है ट्रैफिक है शुरू है, आप भी देख सकते हो। और ये तैयारी सब जगह करने को मैंने कहा। कमिश्नर चहल और वेला रासू ये दोनों को मैंने हमारी पूरी डिपार्टमेंट जो है उनको कहा है कि इस बारिश में किसी भी तरह की तकलीफ लोगों को ना हो।
Let's go across to my colleague Shivani, who is joining us with the update of what's happening currently. Shivani, the Chief Minister has visited several affected areas. Even now, waterlogging being witnessed in several areas across Mumbai. What's the situation like?
Well, as of now, there are quite moderate rainfall that is taking place, but simultaneously high tide is also that is expected, and we are reporting from Worli right now, where the visibility somewhere can be seen, which is reduced already. It is expected that heavy rainfall will be taking place in the times of evening. IMD has issued a yellow alert now, which was an orange alert till early mornings today in Mumbai. But yes, Mumbai, Thane, Raigad are on yellow alert, but apart from that, Konkan and Palghar are on orange alert as of now. It is expected that over 150 mm of rainfall can take place in next 48 hours of time. As yesterday in last 24 hours as of now, 176 mm rainfall water level was measured by the BMC, and henceforth IMD has issued guidelines for people to not visit in isolated area. In fact, the Chief Minister, as we just saw, that how he is also inspecting different places in Mumbai. He also visited Worli some time back and went to Milan subway to inspect the area. CM has clearly instructed that the places which will see waterlogging, their action will be taken against those ward officers, and henceforth all the inspectors from the BMC have also been alerted to remain on alert mode all the time. In fact, he said that monsoon has just entered Mumbai. We welcome that, but we have to remain on alert, and that is why BMC's war room will have a senior officer all the time to witness any waterlogging situation.
So there is some alertness that the government has shown, but politics also playing out over it. Stay on with us. Politics over the Mumbai rains and waterlogging with Uddhav Sena and the NCP hitting out at the government, saying this is nothing but mismanagement by the Eknath Shinde government. Listen in.
मुंबई के अनेक इलाकों में आपने देखा कि पानी भर रहा है, पानी भर चुका था, गाड़ियों की बड़ी बड़ी कतारें लगी थी और लोगों को बहुत ही ज्यादा पीड़ा भरे हुए पानी की वजह से हो रही थी। मुंबई महानगर पालिका के प्रशासन ने यह दावा किया था कि इस बार मुंबई की नाले सफाई बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हुई और मुंबई के इलाकों में अब पानी, बारिश का पानी नहीं भरेगा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ। पूछना चाहता हूं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मुंबई स्थित नेताओं से कि जब हमारी सरकार थी तब आप रास्ते पे उतरते थे, मुंबई महानगर पालिका के संदर्भ में आपने अनेक प्रश्न उपस्थित किए, लेकिन पहली ही बारिश में आपके मुंबई शहर में आपके अंडर जो मुंबई महानगर का पालिका का प्रशासन है उसके सारे दावे फेल हो चुके हैं।
नाले सफाई जिस ढंग से होनी चाहिए थी नहीं हुई, बहुत बड़े भ्रष्टाचार की आशंका है। जरा सी बरसात में मुंबई डूब जा रही है। आप कर क्या रहे हैं? और मुख्यमंत्री तो छोड़िए, उप मुख्यमंत्री जी आप कहां हैं? हम बार बार कह रहे हैं कि जिस प्रकार नालों की सफाई का ठेका दिया गया है उसमें भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है, यह बात आज साबित हो गई है। अभी पहली बरसात है, आने वाले दिनों में हम मुंबईकरों को कितना कष्ट झेलना होगा ये आप लोगों के ऊपर है।
All right, now that a yellow and orange alert continues to be sounded, it's going to be very vigilant for the Mumbaikars to ensure that there's no problem at all. Waterlogging already reported in several areas. Shivani, thank you for joining us with that update. Slipping into a quick break here. News and updates on the other side.